morning, my dear managers, friends and trainees. So we have been speaking about education, the rural poor, right? So I have been working with so many departments and so many organizations regarding the same. So as a small initiative and a humble request from all my managers, I am open for training the general public, that is those people who are in sales career, who are freshers, who are experienced or looking for another job and for higher proficiency in the job, are kindly invited to attend my online training or the posted videos. You can kindly just post all your questions and whatever doubts and queries you have out of my experiences and the little knowledge which Divine has blessed me through my managers. With gratitude, I would love to guide you all regarding the same and share the knowledge, because knowledge and experience, when you share, it multiplies. That is number one. And number two is say for example, if you want the rural poor to get educated, first the parents has to get the awareness of what is an education. They should feel comfortable, they should feel confident. So those sales managers who we have already taken an initiative, whoever is, say for the maid is coming to my home, we sit with him and we train him on the basics of communication in English, that what is your name, my name is Danya, like that. So likewise you have to please just take an initiative. It will only take 5 to 10 minutes, and I really thank all my sales managers who are already we are doing this. We just teach them everyday work. Whenever they post us under us, we just try to tell them whatever is there in the education field, how can they come up. See, that office boy is coming to a sales office, right? So if you have that initiative of making him from the office boy to a sales executive to report under you, we managers can. Only thing is, we need that patience and the time and the correct exact focus to train him on how to switch from the office boy to the sales pipeline. So this we have been doing for around 6 to 7 years. So on that lines, I would love to tell, if you train an office boy who is a father of 2 children on wearing a blazer or wearing a neat pant and shirt with the belts and his shoes on, he will get the confidence that okay, I'm okay now, I know, I have some knowledge, I'm developing myself, I'm growing, so I want to give quality education to my children in the correct line. This is the whole idea. And kindly please, because if I get a sales manager with years of experience or a trainer or a marketing manager, I would love to sit with him focusing on the knowledge which he has. How can I get benefit out of it, reap the benefits. Likewise, there is so much request from my trainees to go online and to allow them to get the friend request, to allow them to just raise the questions. But if you send hearts, if you send some kisses, a puppy or something like that, it goes away from the professional pipeline. See, please utilize my, I want to get utilized correctly. That is where my knowledge which has been, which I have been training for years under the corporate pipelines, I kindly want to share with the people who are not able to reach, who cannot reach me. That is the whole idea. So thanks for listening to this, and please utilize me correctly and the correct perspective. If anything wrong, please guide me. That is one thing. Okay, and in the further videos, I will be educating you on what is general selling, and slowly we will just go to the pipeline. Thanks for listening. Thank you so much.